Hi, it's Owen. We're doing another short video on Ballyroney Cottage B&B on how to use the content management system to make changes to the website. Just briefly skate over the website. It's a one-page website, so there is one page. These menu items allow the users to navigate through the page, and it's very simple. All roads lead to the contact form, where it should be filled in if enough interest has been generated with the content on this one-page website. So, once you log in, you'll be presented with a dashboard. Straight away, to go into it, we'll want to look at the media library and see what we have. Going over here, we can go down to the gallery and actually just hit this gallery button to go down. More pictures, yes. View the full screen gallery, which pops up a gallery, and we can go through some of the images on it. Very good. Now, how to add an image to that gallery. So here's the media library, which has been pre-populated with lots of information and photographs taken from Facebook and taken from the old website. Without further ado, we can go to the gallery and add a new gallery item. Let's choose the image first. So, with the gallery item, you want to try and add some interest to the bed and breakfast and highlight some of the key features, such as the animals, or the bathroom, or the lovely food that can be sampled whilst there. So we'll choose this photograph. It looks like a delicious breakfast. And the gallery caption will be D-E-L-I-C-R, delicious breakfast. We'll publish that immediately. Now we can go back to the gallery and select gallery from the drop down, and you can see that the delicious breakfast has been added with all the other items. Going back to the website, you can refresh the website. Scroll down to the gallery area, press view full screen gallery, and we should be expecting to see the image of the lovely breakfast. That is how simple it is to add an image to the gallery. Going down to places. Places should be at the very top of the website here, and these are interesting places throughout the property, in the entire property. So once again, we will add a new place. I had wanted to take a photograph of something like this, put it in, and put on excellent, safe and secure parking. Again, you don't just want to put stuff on for the sake of it. You want to put stuff in that has some tangible added value to the business. Your car or transport will be safe and secure in our parking area with CCTV coverage. That's it. The text under the title will just call it safe and secure parking. Hit publish on that, and we'll wait until it finishes loading here, or saving, and go back over to the front of the website, and just by clicking the logo should redraw, rebuild, refresh the page. Here we can see parking, safe and secure parking. I've already added it previously, but it will be up to Vanessa to find areas of interest or places that have some added value, such as the laundry room, get your laundry washed while you stay, the TV room at night time with a nice fire lit. Anything to drive more interest in the property. It's quite interesting already. But so back to places, and I'm going to save the one I just created 1 minute ago as a draft, because I only use it for this. The rooms now. If the rooms were to change, there is a separate section for each room: the beehive room, the orchard room, and the peacock room. Choosing one at random, we'll go with the beehive room, and if you want to make some changes to that room, You can edit this information here, such as 2 with a shower, 1 with a bath. So all rooms are en suite. Well, let's just make that bold. A strenuous day of fishing, we can make that italic, or climbing, italic. Twin or double beds available. That's perfect. So down here you can set the room package, the price per person and the price for 2 people, the currency, what photograph to use, etc. The room facilities blocks should have information like if a pet is allowed, you add in pet friendly. If pets are not allowed, leave this empty if not required. All of these boxes have been filled in accordance with what are the actual facilities for each room, and I've sat with Vanessa and we have checked these all. The wording of the rooms should be updated every now and then, and some search engine optimization done on the content for each room and each place and each gallery and everything, where possible adding in keywords that are popular. So we've added a new place, we've added a new gallery item. Testimonials are very simple. They will come from here. These were originally taken from Facebook testimonials that are currently on the Facebook page for the Ballyroney Cottage bed and breakfast. If any new ones appear, it's as simple as hitting the add new button, giving the new testimonial a title, typing in as much information as is relevant to the great interesting spot. No reason to set a featured image. Give the author a name. That's it. You can add in your testimonial here, and I'm just going to trash this one at the minute because it's just for testing purposes. Immediately after saving them, the testimonials will appear in this blue, teal green, sort of bluey green box, and there's a nice image in the background. So that'll just go on a slider, and there you can have as many or as little as you wish. So that covers testimonials, gallery, places, rooms, the media library. Posts there's not been much use of posts or the need to make any blogs for the Ballyroney Cottage B&B. It's very static. The Facebook page sort of more or less covers that. We wanted this website to be just purely for bookings and to try and act as a competitor to booking.com, where it is more expensive and Vanessa gets less revenue from her bookings through that. So by being able to take bookings on her own website, by putting in the customer's name, address, name, last name, email address, phone number, arriving date, choosing how many guests and choosing the type of room, this allows the customers to book themselves into the Ballyroney Cottage. Vanessa always makes a point of contacting the customer before they arrive via phone to just have a general chat, validating them. Now, any other area that needs changed can be accessed through the dashboard in pages or page sections. If we went to the page sections, there's very little to change in here. It just governs what it gets loaded and what order they are in. So about the place, it's showing us that the page that is getting loaded for about the place is called About Us, and it is to be used as a menu item, and it has to show the section title. So we know then if the page is About Us, we can go to Pages, look for the About Us page, and go in there and press Edit. Don't be intimidated by the little codes. If you take your time just to read them, you can see what is what. Obviously the Facebook page, the links to the social networking icons. Joining the mailing list, which integrates the MailChimp we've seen earlier in the previous video. And here's the text, the description of your accommodation. So you can always match that up by having a visual reference on this side to compare it when making any changes. Description of our accommodation. Description of our accommodation. And other info about the accommodation. Other info of the accommodation and the text that's beneath that. So team, we'll make that just bold now and press update just to see does this small text change apply, how simple it is to make these changes. So here we can see that the team has been in italics and the hands in bold. That just about covers this tutorial for how to use the Ballyroney Bed and Breakfast website. It's very simple, and hopefully the customers will be able to see the simplicity and use this website to make bookings in future. Thank you.